All right, we're going to finish the bottom of page 117. We were finding the x's and the y's using zeros, finding where they cross. So remember, the first thing we do is we're going to rewrite the problem 2 times. Okay, and in the first one, I'm going to erase that y and make it a 0. In the second one, I'm going to erase that x and make it a 0. So 0 times -3 goes away. So now I have 2x equals 12. Divide both sides by 2. X is 6. 6, 0. That goes away. I have -3y equals 12. Divide both sides by -3. X is -4. Now I have 2 points that I can graph. 6, 0. So I go over 6. And then 0, -4. I go down, put 1 right there. Draw my line. Let's do the next one. I need to write the problem 2 times. 1x minus 1y equals 2. 1x minus 1y equals 2. Going to make that y a 0. That goes away. 1x equals 2, which really just means x equals 2 because 1x and x are the same thing. Going to make the x 0 in this one. That goes away. -1y equals 2. Divide by -1. Y is -2. So my 2 points are 2, 0, and 0, -2. Let's graph those. Oops. 2, 0 is right here. 0, -2 is right there. Draw the line. One more. We write them 2 times. -4x plus 5y equals 20. -4x plus 5y equals 20. Oh gosh, that is not an eraser. Make the y 0 in the first one. Make the x 0 in the second one. All right, that goes away. I have -4x equals 20. Divide by -4. X is -5. That goes away. 5y equals 20. Divide by 5. Y is 4. All right, I've got 2 points to graph. I've got a -5, 0 that goes right here, and a 0, 4 that goes right there. Connect the dots. All right, so that was just kind of a review of what we did the other day. Now I need you to flip over to page 7.20. All right, on this page, we are just doing vertical and horizontal lines. A vertical line is written as x equals something. A horizontal line will be written as y equals, not 0, just anything, whatever. Vertical lines are undefined. We know that. Horizontal lines have 0 slope. So this graph right here, it's 1, 2, so x equals 2. This graph, 1, 2, 3, 4, y is -4. So all we got to do is look at the picture and tell if it's x or y. Well, this first one, the dot right here is on the x line, so it's going to be x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 5. This one, it's on the x, so x equals 1. This dot is on the negative 2 and on the y, so y is negative 2. I need you to do 4, 5, and 6 and flip over to the next page. All right, on this page, we're going to draw the graphs. So the first one tells me y is negative 3. So I'm going to come on the y line, which is up and down, and put a dot right here. When I put a dot there, I always draw my line side to side. Okay, number 8, let's make that a 6 because we don't have a 7 on here. So if x equals 6, I'm on the x line, which is a side-to-side line. I come over here to 6, and then I got to draw the line going vertical. X is negative 1. Come over here on the x line to negative 1 and draw a vertical line. You do 10, 11, and 12. Thank you.